I was using Chatgpt for everything until I realized I was wasting time. Each AI is actually good at completely different things. Last month I had an essay due, research to fact check, and code homework. I tested all three AIs to see which one handled what best. The results honestly surprised me. Let me break down what I found. ChatGPT is the best for explanations and homework help, no contest. When I asked it to explain quantum mechanics, it broke it down step by step like an actual tutor. Used simple examples, checked if I understood before moving on. For math problems, it shows the work. For coding, it explains each line. For essays, it helps brainstorm and structure ideas. The free version is totally usable. I use it every single day for assignments. But here is the problem. ChatGPT makes stuff up sometimes. It will confidently give you wrong information, and you would never know. That is where Perplexity comes in. Perplexity is unbeatable for research and fact-checking. It actually searches the internet and shows you real sources. I had to write about recent climate policies. Asked Perplexity. It gave me 5 current articles with links, publication dates, author names, everything I needed to cite. ChatGPT would have just made up some generic answer with no sources. Perplexity gives you the actual proof. Perfect for research papers or when you need current information. Also, completely free. Now, Gemini is interesting. It is made by Google, so it integrates with everything. I uploaded my lecture slides and asked it to make a study guide. It pulled info from the slides, searched related topics, and created this comprehensive review sheet. It handles images really well, too. I took a photo of a diagram from my textbook, asked Gemini to explain it. Actually worked. The integration with Google Docs and Gmail is clutch if you live in the Google ecosystem. So here is my verdict. Use all three for different things. ChatGPT for daily homework, help, and explanations. Perplexity when writing research papers or checking facts. Gemini when you need to work with files or images. I literally have all three open in different tabs. Switch between them depending on what I need. Real talk though. None of these are perfect. They all mess up sometimes. Always double check important stuff. Use them as study partners, not magic answer machines. My actual workflow now. Start with ChatGPT to understand concepts. Use Perplexity to verify facts and find sources. Use Gemini to organize everything into documents. Way more efficient than using just one. All three are free, by the way. You can upgrade if you want, but the free versions work fine for most student stuff. So try all three this week. See which one fits your study style. You will probably end up using different ones for different subjects like I do. Comment which AI you have been using. I am curious if anyone found better use cases than me. Hit subscribe if you want more honest tool comparisons. No sponsorships, just real testing. Pick the right tool for the right job. Stop forcing one AI to do everything.